Hello friends, welcome to Textile Cell. In this video, we'll discuss how to measure amps or current using a clamp meter. In this video, I'm going to use this clamp meter. So let me turn on the clamp meter. Now I have to choose the ampere mode. Here A is written here. You can see, which indicate amps. Now here you can see I have to choose AC mode as I am going to measure the AC current. Now here you can see AC is written here. Now with this switch I can turn this 40-watt filament lamp turn on and off. So let me turn it on. Now to measure the current, either I have to put the clamp meter around the live wire, which is a red wire, or neutral wire. Let me show you. First I am placing the clamp meter around the live wire, which is a red wire, and you can see the current reading is 0.167 ampere. Here A is written here, which indicate the reading showing in ampere scale. Now if I put the meter around the black wire, which is a neutral wire, I should get the same reading, 0.165 ampere. So in both cases I am getting the same reading, because whatever the current is flowing through the red wire, the same amount of current is also flowing through the black wire, but in the opposite direction. So in each case I should get the same reading in the clamp meter. But if I place the clamp meter around these two wire, both live and neutral wire, then I should not get any reading, because whatever the current is flowing through one wire, the same amount of current also coming back through another wire. So in total I will not get any ampere reading. So to get the reading or to measure the ampere, either you have to put the meter around the live wire or neutral wire, and you can hold this meter in any orientation, you will get the same reading. And if I turn the lamp off, you can see the current reading is 0. Now if I turn it on again, you can see the current reading is showing in the clamp meter. Thus you can easily measure the current with clamp meter. Now let me show you another example. Now we will measure the current consumed by this mobile charger.
This video is sponsored by utsource.net, where you can find all the electronics components like resistor, capacitor, transistor, different modules, sensor, ICs at very attractive price. I have also ordered some electronics component from the utsource.net at very reasonable price, and as you can see, you will get a good quality product at very attractive price. For more details, please visit utsource.net, the link given in the description.
So let me turn on the mobile charger, and you can see the mobile is charging. Now here you can see there are three wire, which is a live wire, red one, black one is a neutral wire, and green one is a ground or earth wire. So to measure the current, I have to put the meter around either live wire or black wire, which is a neutral wire. So first I'll put the meter around the live wire to show you the reading, and you can see it's showing 0.092 ampere. Here A indicate it's showing the reading in amps, which is also 92 milliamps. Now we'll place the meter around the black wire, which is a neutral wire. I should get same reading. Here you can see I'm getting the same reading, 0.092 amps, which is again 94 milliamps or 92 milliamps. Now if I place the meter around the green wire, which is the earth wire, I should not get any reading, as no current right now is flowing through the earth wire. You can see I'm getting the 0 in the clamp meter, so no current is flowing through the earth wire. Now if I put these three wire together within the clamp meter, again I should not get any reading, as whatever the current is flowing through the red wire, the same amount of current is also flowing through the black wire, but in the opposite direction. So in total I will not get any result in the clamp meter. So always I have to put the clamp meter either around live wire or neutral wire. Thus we can measure the current with this clamp meter. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and share this with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.